in such a short period of time, and you know, I couldn't imagine life any other way. And yeah, I'll be with you every single step of the way. Sandra, thank you for agreeing to marry me. Thank you for everything you do for us. I have absolutely no hesitation in knowing that I'll be with you every step of the way, and you'll be by my side every step of the way. We've been really lucky by saying how truly amazing Sandra is. I couldn't ask for anything more in a partner. She is absolutely an apple of my eye, everything I aspire to be, and just love her to bits. So on behalf of my wife and I, please be outstanding.
I, Sandra, take you, Gordon, to be my husband.
I, Gordon, take you, Sandra, to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful and supportive without question. I promise to look after you when you need looking after. I promise to share all of my life with you and be by your side forever.
And be by your side forever.
I'm sure it's been a lovely day today.